Now, guys, we are starting with the fourth topic today, that is grammar's fourth topic, that is direct and indirect speech. In this, all the transformation of sentence also you will learn indirectly. All the things, direct, indirect speech, and vice versa, you all are going to learn. And this is one compulsory question, guys, that is coming in your boards. Indirect speech में कन्वर्ट करना 2 marks का ये क्वेश्चन आता है. It is very much compulsory that your first unseen passage will be there, seen passage. After that your questions are there, and below that grammar they will ask, and in that grammar one question will be of indirect speech. Compulsory वो आता ही आता है. It will be of 2 marks. And it is not like that कि वो एक कोई easy sentence होगा. It will not be that much easy, but if you all are understanding, then it will be easy for you all to solve it and get the 2 marks. Clear? So understand it carefully. What is direct speech and what is indirect speech? Because हम already, you all have done it in 11th also and in school also. Clear? We'll start. Open your notebooks. Give the heading direct and indirect speech. And first, write down the meaning of direct speech. Actual words spoken, actual words spoken, which is placed within the words. Actual words spoken, which is placed within the words. That is, you will write in double inverted comma. Inverted comma. Double inverted comma, open and close, and you will write in between inverted commas. Full stop. Below that, in the next line, you all are writing example. Direct speech means what? The actual words are spoken. What I am trying to say the first person to second person. Indirect speech is what? The first person's message. Indirect speech is what? First person's message is given to the third person. By whom? By second person. मैंने मेरी फ्रेंड को एक मैसेज दिया to give the message in our friends group. Clear? मैंने मैसेज दिया. I am the first person. Second person कौन हो गया? मेरी friend. And she is going to pass my message to whom? To the whole group of ours. Clear? So मेरा मैसेज गया सेकेंड पर्सन को, सेकेंड पर्सन ने दिया मेरा मैसेज पूरे ग्रुप को या फिर कोई पर्टिकुलर फ्रेंड को. राइट? सो इट विल बी एन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. मैसेज मेरा था पर पास ऑन कौन कर रहा है? द सेकेंड पर्सन इज पासिंग ऑन टू द थर्ड पर्सन एंड मेनी मोर. क्लियर? सो दैट इज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. डायरेक्ट स्पीच कि मैं डायरेक्टली तुम सबसे बात कर रही हूं, दैट इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. बट मैं बोल रही हूँ, y'all are giving message to someone else or those who are absent in the lecture. So what this is happening? Y'all are giving my message to the third person which is not present in the lecture. That is called indirect speech. Clear? Now, you will write the example. Hari said, write down. Hari said, comma, inverted commas open, I am very tired. Now, inverted comma close, full stop. Now, see this. The inverted commas here. That means the sentence is direct sentence. Without inverted comma, it is indirect sentence, indirect speech. Clear? Whenever the sentences that convert this sentence into indirect speech, so inverted commas will wash off. Clear? You all are not putting inverted commas because each and every student, they are having confusion, and many of them have written also कि वो लोग जब भी ट्रांसफर करते हैं, एक्सचेंज चेंज करते हैं डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में, देन दे मेक अ मिस्टेक दैट डायरेक्ट में भी इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स है तो इनडायरेक्ट में भी इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स मुझे डालने ही है. नो, इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी. रॉन्ग हो जाएगा पूरा सेंटेंस. इफ पूरा सेंटेंस तुम लोग ने राइट लिखा होगा तो भी 2 मार्क्स पूरे चले जाएंगे. क्यों? बिकॉज यू ऑल हैव पुट द इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स इनटू दैट पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस. Clear? Now, next, you all are writing the meaning of indirect speech. Write down, or you can say as reported speech also. Clear? Now, write the meaning. Reporting what is spoken. Reporting is what is spoken without quoting, quoting QUOTING, quoting, without quoting his slash her exact words. His slash her exact words. So guys, it is very simple that direct speech is what? Direct speech is the actual words which is spoken, and indirect speech kya hai? The exact report that is given to the third person. I am the first person, as I said. My actual words I am giving to the second person. I am speaking actual words, right? What I have given the message to the second person. But the second person is what doing? What she or he is doing? She is reporting, or she is giving my message to the third person, right? So it is known as the reported speech. She is reporting the actual words. She is giving the actual report what I have given to the second person. To whom? To the third person. Clear? Direct speech, actual words. Indirect speech, actual reports. Just you can write in a bracket actual report, and here actual words. Clear? Now, here the same sentence that we had written in direct speech, we are going to convert it into indirect speech. Now, how you all will write an example. What was the sentence in direct speech? Hari said, I am very tired now. How you all will convert? Yes, you can write Hari said that, write down that he was very tired. अभी क्या आएगा? ये नाव का क्या आएगा यहाँ पर? नाउ ही आएगा. Hari said, I am very tired now. That was direct speech. Actual words were spoken by Hari. But now second person is giving message to the third person. So the word now will change into then. Change into then. That is THEN, then. This is the actual report given by second person to the third person. Clear? No inverted commas, nothing. Just last में sentence complete होगा तो full stop will come. Clear? Next. Now, you can write some rules also, guys, because rules are very important when you all are changing from direct to indirect or indirect to direct. Clear? Now, see this. You can write rules. In bracket for changing direct speech to indirect. Direct to indirect speech. Clear? Now, first rule. Use conjunction. Use that. Use conjunction that before the indirect statement. Clear? इनडायरेक्ट दिस लिखा रहेगा. डायरेक्ट में क्या लिखा रहेगा? So when you are converting the sentence from direct to indirect, when you are converting a particular sentence from direct to indirect, this का क्या हो जाएगा? That. This का क्या हो जाएगा? That. Clear? Now, second. Change of or just write it down. Change in pronouns of first and second person, there will be change of pronoun in first and second person. I'll give you the examples down. Don't worry. Now, indirect speech to the third person. Indirect speech to the third person. Indirect speech to the third person in taking in account the gender of the subject, the gender of the subject. Just write down the examples here. I, then you becomes he. She, my, your becomes his or her, we, then you can write you becomes they, our, you can write again your, becomes their, their, there, full stop. Clear? Now you can write two, three examples here. Ram said, comma, inverted commas open, I am very busy. Now what you all are going to convert? How you all will convert? You can write Ram said that he was very busy. Clear? I'll give you one more sentence. You all are going to convert it on your own. Right. Sita said to Richa, Sita comma, inverted commas open, I like your dress. Now, inverted commas close, full stop. Answer. Just convert it fast. What will come? Sita told to Richa. Sita told Richa what she told, that she liked her dress, right? That she liked her dress. Right? Here she कौन है? सीता. And her is who? Richa. Clear? Now it will be clear to you all. You all are already known to tenses. Then too we will do the tenses topic. But here in direct and indirect speech, tenses are also applied. So little bit you all will be cleared with the tenses, and in the next lecture we'll start with the tenses also. So it will be, the tense topic will be more clear to you. Clear? Now, if you will see this direct and indirect speech, you have to convert the sentence as per the tenses also. Clear? Now you can write here, change in tenses. Right? Now, first, just give the heading present simple tense becomes past simple tense. क्लियर? प्रेजेंट सिंपल क्या हो रहा है? पास्ट सिंपल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा व्हेन फ्रॉम डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट. क्लियर? और वाइसे वर्सा. पास्ट सिंपल टेंस दिया है तो इनडायरेक्ट टू डायरेक्ट करेंगे तो वो प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस बन जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ आई गिव यू द सेंटेंस. ये एग्जांपल से ज्यादा क्लियर हो जाएगा. देखिए एग्जांपल क्या है? राइट डाउन. ही सेड, comma, inverted commas open, I play football every evening. Inverted comma closed. Now convert this sentence. Write down. He said, what will come? He said that he played football every evening. Clear? Done with writing. Next sentence means next number. This was the example for what? Present becomes past simple. Now you will write present continuous becomes past continuous. Clear? Write the example for this. He said the same sentence I'm taking, so you all will see the difference that how from present simple to past simple it is converting, from present continuous to past continuous, from present perfect to past perfect. You all are going to see the same sentence converting into different tense, from direct to indirect. Clear? Right. He said, I'm dictating it right down. He said, I am playing football. So it is presently he is playing football, present continuous. Now you have to make it past continuous, that is indirect speech, into indirect speech. Write down the answer for this. He said that he was playing football. Clear? Good. Now, third one. Present perfect becomes past perfect. Write the sentence. He said, comma, double inverted comma open, I have played, Played, played football for 2 years. Inverted comma close. Now make it into past perfect. See, here we are seeing in the direct sentence present perfect that it is have. But when we are changing it into indirect speech, past perfect हो जाएगा वो present perfect का, so it will become have का had. Now what you will write? He said that he had played football for 2 years. Clear? Now, the fourth one. Write down present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Clear? Now write the sentence. He said, I have been playing football for 2 years. Clear? What he said that I have been playing football for 2 years. Full stop and inverted commas complete. Yes, answer. Now see this. He said that he had been playing football for last 2 years. Because in direct speech there is actual words, no? Here y'all are converting into indirect speech because the second person is giving the message to the third person. So you have to add one word, that is last. Very important, because if you all are not writing last, there is no meaning only. You all are copying the same sentence from above. In this particular sentence, when you are converting present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous from last 2 years, he said that he had been playing football for last 2 years. Clear? Now, fifth, you all are writing future tense becomes conditional. Clear? Now, write the example. He said, conditional means वो खेलेगा. He will play. It's like that. See this. What will be future में? What will be the sentence of the same? Write down. He said, I shall play football next year. Clear? ऊपर क्या था सेंटेंस? प्रेजेंट 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 में ही था. ही सेड आई हैव बीन प्लेइंग फुटबॉल फॉर 2 years. फिर उसे हमें उस उसको हमने कन्वर्ट किया पास्ट परफेक्ट में, तो वो लास्ट 2 years हो गया, बट ये फ्यूचर हो गया. सो व्हाट ही सेड, ही शैल प्ले फुटबॉल व्हाट नेक्स्ट ईयर. अभी इसका कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे बता. डाउन. शैल का क्या हो जाएगा, वुड. Shall is future tense, but when we are converting into conditional, then it will become would. He said that he would play football next year. Clear? Now, sixth one. Future perfect becomes conditional perfect. Write down. Future perfect clear. Now, write the example. He said, I shall have played football for 2 years next June. Answer. What will the answer come? Yes, write down. He said that he would have played football for 2 years next June. Clear? Now, the seventh one is what that y'all are going, I'm going to give you all the exceptions from all above sentences. जितने भी sentences हमने अभी तक देखे उससे एक exception है. Just write. Clear? Right. First write a note. Write down. If you are reporting an universal truth, an universal truth on habitual fact, on habitual fact, the tense of the sentence, the tense of the sentence is not changed. I'll repeat it again. If you are reporting an universal truth, an universal truth on habitual fact, the tense of the sentence is not changed. The tense of the sentence is not changed. Clear? Write the sentence. Example. He said, the earth goes round the sun. Yes. What will come? He said that the earth goes round the sun. You can't change the sentence. Just we'll add that. He said that the earth goes round the sun. ये एक यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ है, ये कभी चेंज नहीं हो सकता. Right? You can write the next example for this only. I'm dictating it. German is easy to learn. German is easy to learn. He said. German inverted comma open. Then you all will write German is easy to learn, inverted comma close, comma he said, full stop. Clear? Now write down the answer. He said that German is easy to learn. German is easy to learn. Clear? Now the last thing here you can write. I'll give you some words that will change from direct to indirect speech. By these words, it will be very helpful for you all that when you all are changing a particular sentence from direct to indirect or vice versa, these words will help you all. Clear? Just write down. In the next line, write down now. Now becomes then. Now becomes then. Here, H-E-R-E, here becomes there. You can just draw the arrow also, guys. Become नहीं लिखना है तो here का क्या हो जाएगा? There. Come, go. today, that day, yesterday, the previous day. This, that. Tonight, that night. This becomes, sorry, you can write this, those. Tomorrow, the next day. Last night, previous night, and ago, before. Clear? Here, guys, I am ending. Furthermore, I am going to make you learn in this direct and indirect speech. Topic बाकी है, आधा ही complete हुआ है. We'll continue with this topic in the next lecture because more you all are going to learn this direct and indirect speech in what? In changing the, or you can say as transformation of sentences. Clear? So साथ में दो टॉपिक और एक्स्ट्रा कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. दैट इज टेंसेस इज आल्सो गोइंग टू कंप्लीट and you all are going to learn the transformation of sentences also. Clear? So I will be ending the lecture here. We'll meet in the next lecture.